Hello, friends. Today's lesson, we are going to be talking about adding multi-digit whole numbers. This is a review. We have done this many times. This should be a review from first quarter, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So, our objective today is I can fluently add multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. When I say standard algorithm, that means that we are going to take all of the numbers that we are adding together and we are going to stack them on top of each other vertically, and we're going to use that way to add. One of the biggest things, the most important things, is to make sure that you're lining up your numbers correctly. I know that sounds kind of silly, like we already know that, but I see this mistake all the time, and I'm going to give you an example. When I get into the higher numbers, actually start with the low number. If we're just going into like 50 or 47, 45 plus 23, something we probably learned in first, second grade, right? It's pretty easy to line those numbers up. It's pretty easy to match the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens. When we get into the higher numbers, though, that's where I've seen us make a lot of mistakes lining the numbers up. For example, let's get into maybe the thousands. Let's do 12,456 plus 78,245. Now, this one is relatively easy because they have the same number of digits, so it's pretty easy to line numbers up. But probably where I see the most mistakes when they don't have the same amount of digits. So let's stick with our 12,456 and let's add that to 6,123,250. Now, when you're lining those numbers up, you need to make sure that you are starting on the right, that you are starting with the ones place. Otherwise, if I line those up starting at the left side, I'm going to be lining up the millions place with the 10,000 place, and that's going to mess up everything. So, if I'm putting these numbers over here, I need to know that the ones place is my 6, and that's going right here. And my one place, the second number, is my 0, and that's going right here.